Whiteboard animation channels are quietly making millions on YouTube, and nobody is talking about it. I found 3 channels doing this with zero fancy equipment, no team, no budget, just simple drawings. And today I'm going to show you how to build the exact same thing, completely free, using AI. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, I can't draw, I have no experience, I don't even know where to start. I thought the same thing. But here's what nobody tells you. The worst-looking whiteboard channels are the ones getting the most views. Look at Minute Physics, 5.9 million subscribers, stick figures, basic handwriting, that's literally it. TikTok Draw has 11 million subscribers, and their most popular video, a 21-minute whiteboard animation, has 53 million views. 53 million on a drawing video. After School has 3 million subscribers, and every single video follows the same simple format. No animation studio, no professional team, just a process. And that process is exactly what I'm going to hand you today. I spent weeks studying these channels, I broke down their top videos, reverse engineered their structure, and then rebuilt the entire workflow using nothing but free AI tools that exist right now. I then used that same workflow to create a whiteboard video from scratch. No design skills, no budget, no team, and by the end of this video, you'll have done the same thing. Here's what we're covering: a viral topic with a proven audience, a full AI-generated script in under 5 minutes, a free whiteboard animation using the exact tool and settings I use, and every step matters. Skip one and the whole thing falls apart. Let's get into it. First thing you need is the prompt pack. Link is in the description. It's a Google Doc with 4 ready-made prompts that drive this entire process. Open it now and keep it next to this video. Every step from here uses it. Take the first prompt from the doc, your topic generation prompt, copy it, open Claude AI at claude.ai, paste it in and hit generate. You'll get 10 topic ideas instantly. But here's the problem. These are generic. Claude is pulling from general knowledge, not from what's actually trending on YouTube right now. A random Claude topic going viral? Very unlikely. So we need to fix that. And this fix is exactly what separates a video that gets 300 views from one that gets 3 million. We're going to plug Claude into live YouTube data using VidIQ, link in the description. Sign up free, install the Chrome extension, pin it to your browser, then go back to Claude and hit refresh. You'll see a new option, connect your YouTube. One click and it's done. Open a new chat in Claude. Click the plus icon. You have to click on connectors here. After that, a menu will open. Here you have to click on add and hover your cursor over it. After that, you will have many options. Here you have to click on video_idea validation. As soon as you click, such options will be shown in front of you. Now paste that same first prompt, your topic generation prompt from the Google Doc, right into this new chat. Hit generate. This time Claude isn't just guessing. It's pulling from what's actually trending on YouTube right now, in your niche, with real search volume behind it. You'll get 10 viral topic ideas generated for you automatically. Don't just grab the first idea that sounds interesting. Look at the VPH number next to each topic, views per hour. That tells you how fast videos on that topic are growing right now. High VPH means the algorithm is actively pushing it. Low VPH means it's dead in the water no matter how good it sounds. Pick the highest VPH topic you can actually make a strong video about. Got it? Good. Now take your chosen topic and open the prompt doc. Copy the second prompt, the script prompt. Head back to Claude AI and paste it in. You'll see a bracket inside the prompt. That's where your topic goes. Paste your chosen topic in there, hit generate, and Claude will write your complete viral script automatically. Just wait 30 seconds, it handles everything. Once your script is ready, copy the whole thing and paste it into a blank Google Doc. Then go through it quickly and remove anything that doesn't belong, filler lines, repeated points, anything that slows the video down. This is the only editing you'll do manually. Keep it tight. Now open ElevenLabs, link is in the description. Sign up free and you'll get starter credits automatically. Once you're in, click the speech button. A new interface opens. Click voices and browse the AI voice options. Pick whichever one fits your channel's tone. Then go back to your Google Doc, copy your clean script, paste it into ElevenLabs, make sure your chosen voice is selected, and hit generate. Your voiceover will be ready in seconds. Download it. If your script is long, just split it into 2 parts and generate each one separately. Same process. Now we're turning your script into visuals. Open the prompt doc and copy prompt number 3. Go back to Claude AI, paste it in, and hit generate. Claude will ask you for the first paragraph of your script, so go to your Google Doc, copy that first paragraph, paste it into the same chat, and hit generate again. Claude will give you 2 things, a detailed image prompt and a detailed video prompt, both written specifically for that paragraph. For image generation, we're using Flow AI, link in the description. Once you're in, click the settings button. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, number of images to 2, and select Nano Banana Pro as your model. That's your setup done. You only do this once. Now here's the process you'll repeat for every paragraph of your script. Go back to Claude AI, copy the image prompt it gave you for your first paragraph, paste it into Flow AI, and hit generate. While that's generating, go back to your Google Doc, copy the next paragraph, paste it into Claude AI, and generate the next set of prompts. By the time Claude is done, your first image is ready, download it, then immediately paste the next image prompt into Flow AI and keep the loop going. Script paragraph to Claude, image prompt to Flow AI, download, repeat, all the way to the end of your script. One important thing, Claude gives you 2 prompts for each paragraph, an image prompt and a video prompt. Right now, you only need the image prompt. Copy only that one and paste it into Flow AI. Leave the video prompt alone. That comes in the next step. Now we're turning every image into a video clip. Stay in Flow AI, drag and drop your first image into the input box. Button. Select video and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then choose your model. Any model works here for video generation. Now go back to Claude AI and find the video prompt it generated for that same paragraph. It's sitting right below the image prompt you used earlier. Copy it, go back to Flow AI, paste it into the prompt box. Make sure the correct image is uploaded and hit generate. Your whiteboard animation video clip will be ready in moments. Repeat this exact process for every image. Drag, paste video prompt, generate, download. Flow AI gives you 50 free credits every day, which gets you roughly 5 video clips per day. If your credits run out faster than expected, I'll show you a backup tool in the next step that does the same thing for free. If your Flow AI credits run out, here's your free backup, Google Vids, powered by Google's Veo 3 model. Open Google Vids, click New Project, and set your aspect ratio. When the interface opens, click Create from Scratch, then select Animate an Image. Upload the image you downloaded from Flow AI. Go back to Claude AI and copy the video prompt for that paragraph. Paste it into the prompt box and hit Generate. Same result, completely free. If Google Vids isn't available in your region, Meta AI is your next option. Same process, upload your image, paste your video prompt, generate. Between Flow AI, Google Vids, and Meta AI, you have 3 free tools to get every single clip done without spending a penny. For editing, we're using CapCut. It's free and all you need for this. Open CapCut and click Import. Bring in your VoiceOver file and all the video clips you generated. Start by dragging your VoiceOver onto the timeline first. That's your foundation. Then bring your clips in one by one on the layer above it. Now go through each clip and match it to the right section of the VoiceOver. If a clip runs too long or too short, use the split tool to trim it. The goal is simple. Every clip should match what's being said at that exact moment. Work through the whole timeline from start to finish until everything lines up cleanly. Once everything is synced, add your effects and any captions then hit export and your finished whiteboard animation video saves straight to your device, ready to upload. That's the complete process, from zero to a fully finished whiteboard animation video, using nothing but free AI tools. If this helped you, drop a like on the video, and if you want the prompt pack I used throughout this entire process, the link is in the description. Go build your first video.